You are going to love the 2019 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, rain sensing wipers, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.